Hello everyone. In this video I want to talk about what our final product is about. So we are creating a framework for data unions to build upon. So it consists of different components. So one is Mantis. So that's basically a front-end application. This could also be a mobile app. So we also have developed a mobile app. It involves features like being able to see the statistics, so how much data has been uploaded, how much it has been enhanced, how many people have been contributing, what the different attributes are, but also like how much the person has uploaded themselves, so to be able to see your own stats, but also then to upload and to verify data. So basically all of this data is then added to the backend. And the backend can then be queried in our data portal, so it's called Squid. Here you can see all the data that I actually uploaded, or I can also search here the data that other people uploaded. And I can also create data sets. So basically that's like the big deciding factor, so that I can create my own data sets. And then these data sets can be stored on the server as well, so in our backend. And then when we go to the marketplace, this is a feature that we don't have yet. So this is then basically when you train an algorithm, you will then be able to also choose to work with the data set that you have selected in Squid. Other people can also publish the lists that they created, so you can also take one of those. So there will be public and private ones. You can log in then here in our data marketplace. You can then log in into the backend. So basically then it can access the information that you uploaded, so what data sets you selected and what other people selected. And basically here you will then have our algorithm. So like that's something that we don't have yet finished, but we are working on this actively. And then you can also use other people's algorithms as a base for your algorithms for transfer learning instead of starting from scratch. So basically these are the components that we think are very helpful to accelerate the adoption of decentralized AI, because it allows you to work with what other people did, to work collaboratively, and to work in a decentralized manner. So basically then you can go to the marketplace, you can create algorithms on top of data while using GPUs, and then later gaining the ownership over the results without having to own all of this, without having to own all the infrastructure. So it unlocks the power of AI to everybody around the world. And we will run a hackathon for that in the future. So the current estimate is in the mid of December. But I mean, this all then hooks into what I already talked about in our pitch deck. Basically that we want to then create data unions for different verticals, so that we have these different stages, breeding and so on, and then later partners. So these then will all have their own marketplaces, their own data portals, their own apps like Mantis or our mobile app. So they will basically then be able to feed in the data can then be enhanced, the data can be selected, algorithms can be created on top of this. So basically we are enabling here these verticals to be complete data economies. And one thing that I want to highlight is like that later this will enable DAFI, so not DeFi anymore, but DAFI, so data finance. So there will be then different layers. So like we will have our ecosystem overall. We will then have data unions. On top of this, we will then have insights, and these will have liquidity pools, and all of those will then be on top of Ocean Protocol. So yeah, this is where we want to go finally. And we are currently in the middle of creating the first one and already working with other ones. So yeah. We're excited to build all of this and then to showcase it to all of you. See you soon. Bye bye.